at, and this is coming off the October 22 low. As you can see, one of the things that happened back in early January, you had a cycle high come in. It was a couple of days off, but it came in at the right place and also tapped price here. And once it did that, it really looked like, okay, we went up. We have a potential false break, not super clean. Nonetheless, we hit the price and we were looking for some kind of a little counter trend. We got a little one. Of course, it was only like one day down. Next day we reversed. At that point, I remember either there or near the 14th or so, or that Friday when we were talking about the setup, I remember Ben saying, hey, wouldn't it be funny if we come up and hit the square exactly? And I remember saying, well, yeah, that would be interesting. Thinking that high should be it. We should get a lower high and then we should probably correct. But here we go, Ben. What do you think of that? Came up
Oh,
and
it's amazing.
perfect, right?
Amazing. Yeah.
6 squares out. That's pretty good. I think we have to really watch it. So again, the idea is not just to look at one chart from one low and talk about that, try to trade it. We want to look at highs and lows that have traction, that the cycles have traction, and this is one of them. And the price and time came in, so this is another reason to back up the cash chart, right? Okay, now we want to really watch this, watch the counter trends coming into this, and watch the Friday's low, because we have a square out. It's like a Gann's wet dream, right? We have a square, we have a false break, and then we have a inside bar. It's a lot. There's a lot going on. So watch that for next week.